Hello, tubers! Welcome to my build of Wasteland 3 in Supreme Jerk mode, the hardest level of the game. It says here that only 2% of those who play the game have completed the game in this mode. While the game is relatively hard and unforgiving in this mode, it is not impossible and can be fun if we do a few things right. My definition of fun is actually playing the game and enjoying it, not saving and loading every step of the way because we keep dying. In this video, we will tackle the basic concepts of my build and discuss why it works and how you can apply these concepts to your own build. To start, we're assuming that you're familiar with the storyline and that certain companions will join or leave you depending on the decisions that you will make through the game. Yes, it's a bummer sticking it out with a companion only for him or her to leave you before the end of the game. So this video assumes that you have a rough idea of the storyline you will take and who will be in your team until the end. Perhaps just like any other video game, as this game gets harder, our enemies get tankier and we get squishier. That's just the same with this game. In addition, there will be difficult skill checks, so we need to use our skill points wisely. Which brings us to the first concept. Skill points in this game are not cumulative, meaning 2 dudes with 3 barter points each do not total 6. Our team will fail a barter skill check of 4. Thus, we need a team of specialists. Barter goes out to just one guy, so does weapons modding, and so on. Next concept. This is a ranged build, meaning most or all of my team are using ranged precision weapons, such as automatic weapons and sniper rifles. Handguns are useful too. Half of the team are packing assault rifles and submachine guns, and the other half are using sniper rifles, and they do not interchange, meaning either a team member is a dedicated AR guy or a dedicated sniper. The snipers also have a handgun because the sniper rifles are useless at close range. This combo of sniper rifle and handgun is also useful in unlocking special attacks faster. We use the handgun with its lesser action points to stack up the special attack, and then we use the special attack on the sniper rifle. Note that we have not discussed shotguns and heavy weapons, and that's because we won't be using any in this build. Any weapon or ammo that we get for these types we just sell off. There are a couple of reasons why I'm not using any of these weapons. First off, the heavy machine guns use much more ammo, and there are 3 things that will forever be in short supply in this game: money, points, and bullets. So in this build, I've decided to trade off the heavy weapons that are bullet hogs for more precise shots with the AR, especially because friendly fire is on and to conserve ammo. I assure you, even at our most conservative build, there will be times when our team will be starving for ammo. Second, we're not using any weapon that does spray or splash damage because friendly fire is on. Splash damage hurts our team members, sometimes even more than what the enemy can dish out. Also, when there are NPCs hanging around, 1 bullet from the splash damage will make enemies out of them. Third concept, we're bringing some friends along, meaning aside from the fixed 4 members who we will customize, we bring 2 other companions to make 6 people all in all, and we will bring even more members into the team. As the story progresses, we will have opportunities to bring other members into the team. The trick is to keep them alive because they also level up. Here's a shot of my team in mid-game. We have 6 human members: Major Tomcat, who we met at the start of the game; Billy and Jean, the 2-headed goat, who we can get in one of the early missions; the Provost, a pig who we got using Animal Whisperer; and a disco bot that we got as a reward for a mission. So at this point, the team has 11 members. This means that in an encounter, we're distributing the damage of the enemy to 11 targets instead of just 6. Also, we now have 11 opportunities of attack. Now, the pets don't do a lot of damage, but they have 2 chances of attack per turn, so those little points add up to something big in the end, and they're useful for finishing up enemies with very little health left. Each pet has a different perk, and some can deal special damage like stun and poison. I will discuss pets in detail in a later video. Having pets is engaging in bullet math. Less chances to be hit, and more chances to do damage. Finally, like I've stated earlier, this is a specialist team. In general, each team member needs to have only 4 or 5 skills max so that he can focus on leveling up on those skills. This is a sample of an AR guy at level 19, with just 4 skills having 8 points each. This is a sniper with a handgun, with 5 skills because she has to put points into sniper and small arms, and the other 3 skills are important for skill checks. In the game, there are a total of 22 skills, and in this build, assuming that we don't use melee, heavy weapons and brawling, and leave armor modding at Ranger HQ, and remove the basic weapon skills of sniper, small arms, and automatic weapons, we need to distribute 15 skills across 6 team members. This means that each team member should carry 3 skills that are not weapon related: leadership, survival, and so on. There are a few skills that can be useful across several team members, but I will take that in a later video. To sum up, the basic concepts of this build are: this is a team of specialists and skills aren't cumulative. This is a team with ranged precision weapons. The bigger the team, the better. Here's a sample mission in Supreme Jerk mode. While permadeath and difficult skill checks are off, this is full Supreme Jerk mode all the way, no changing difficulty mid-game, and we rarely save and load because our team died. I still save so that I don't have to redo things in case I get careless or forget something, but essentially I play this game the way I played it in easier settings. So I hope this video was helpful, and the next video will be on how to build a team and some tips on combat. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next video.
Jeez.
me.